welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a really kind of more natural for me, kind of like a warm toned smoky eye with a little bit more of a subtle cut crease and like a nude lip. I honestly absolutely love it. Just like to switch things up now and then. I created today's look using the Naked Heat palette. I had someone comment on my tutorial I did using this palette and asked if I could use this more on my channel, and I thought yes I will. So today I am using this palette for this look, but if you have a palette that has kind of warm brown tones in it, then you'll definitely be able to create this with other palettes as well. But if you would like to see how I created this look, then please make sure to press the subscribe button down below so you do not miss any of my future videos, and then we will get straight into this video. So, as I said, I'm going to be using the Naked Heat palette in today's tutorial. I've already primed my eyes and set them, so I'm going to get straight into the makeup look. And the first eyeshadow I'm going to be using is like a transition colour. It's called Sourced, and I've got that on my MAC 217 brush, and I'm just going to put that into the crease of my eye. Next, I'm going to put He Devil into the crease. But I'm going to focus this more into the crease, you know, just to deepen it up a little bit. Now I'm going to do a cut crease. So I have a kind of flat eyeshadow brush here, and I'm just going to cut the crease. And I'm going to do that with some concealer. Cannot speak today. Now I've done that to set it, I'm going to use Ounce, which is the lightest colour in the Heat palette. I'm just going to put that on top of the concealer to set it. I've got a small angled brush, and I'm going to put that into He Devil. I'm going to kind of sharpen up that crease a bit. Got a flat eyeshadow brush, and this is the MAC 242 brush, and I'm going to go into Chaser, and I'm just going to put that on the inner third of this cut crease. Now I'm going to go into Sourced and kind of put that on the outer edge of where we've put Chaser. We're going to put this really light. I still want to see that cut crease. I will go in with a blending brush after. Putting this in the centre of the eye. This is a ridiculously big fluffy brush, but it's got nothing on it, so I'm just gonna like lightly go over it. We're gonna do the outer corner, and for this I'm going to go and use Cayenne. I think that's how you say it. Cayenne. I'm gonna put that on the outer corner. And then again I've got a fluffy brush to kind of blend this in a bit. Whoa! Just threw my blending brush across the room. So after you've picked your blending brush up from the floor, then I'm going to put Dirty Talk in the centre. That colour is just so gorgeous. So I'm going to put Dirty Talk in the centre. And again, I'm going to get my fluffy brush, kind of blend that in without throwing it across the room. For some reason, a ton of video and audio is missing, so I'm going to do a little bit of voiceover as well. I hope that is not too distracting. I'm putting Dirty Talk in the centre of my lower lash line with like a tapping motion. And then I'm going to put Cayenne on the outer corner, and I did this backwards, but I just wanted to kind of see what I wanted to put on that outer corner. And Matthew's ringing me. So while I was on the phone, I just got a fluffy brush and blended in the bottom lash line with the colour that was on the outer corner of the top lid. So it all just blended in really nicely and didn't look separate in any way. Oh yeah! Yes! So I stupidly carried on a little bit with my makeup while I was on the phone to Matt, and then was like, hang on a minute, wait, no, you're filming, stop. So what I have done is put the Becca Champagne Pop highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes, and then I put Chaser, like really light shade that we put on the inner corner here. I just put that a little bit underneath there as well. I think we're done, you know. So now it's time for lashes and mascara, and so I'm going to be using the YSL, the Mascara Volume Effect Faux Cils, number 5 I think, but it's a burgundy mascara. I'll have it linked in the description down below. But I'm going to put that on my bottom eyelashes. Now I've done that, I'm going to put a normal black mascara on my top lashes, and the mascara I'm going to be using is the YSL The Shock mascara. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Nouveau lashes. So I hadn't used Nouveau lashes in quite a while, and it used to be all that I would wear. So now I've done that, I'm going to get my Marianne On Point waterproof eyeliner. This is all I seem to be using at the moment, and I'm going to just run that across the lash line. So if you see, it like hides the lash line and kind of the gaps in between the lashes on the lash band. Now I've done that, it's time for lips, and I think I want to keep it super natural. Every time I say supernatural, I just think of like ghosts. And my favourite combo at the moment is the Urban Decay 1993 Comfort Matte with the MAC Viva Glam 2 in the centre, so that is what I'm going to do. First I used the Urban Decay 1993 lip liner, and then I went over with the matching lipstick, and then used the MAC Viva Glam 2 in the centre like I said. Now I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Amber Moon eyeliner, and I'm just going to put that on the waterline. So that is it for this tutorial. I like it. It's a bit of a different one for me because I normally love a bright colour and things like that. So doing just like a warm, natural type look. It was so much fun to film and create with you. What was that? Like, what was that? Have I got lipstick on my teeth? No, I'm alright. I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, please make sure to press the like and subscribe button down below, and let me know if you have any requests for videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!